Aren't you going out?
Sauce.
But look at this. Oh, that is so cool. It's pushing me away. Oh my god, it's so cold. Oh my god, it's so cold. What?
I have seen you make picture of me.
It was not a picture. I was showing her around the place, you know. Like I'm at a campsite. You did that? No. She was like, wow, there's so many cars. We're gonna show you so many other travelers with their van, okay? Here we go. This is a campsite in Morocco. I don't know what that is, but it looks like one.
It's for the horse, for the camel.
Ah, there are whole buses there. There are 2, 3.
They fix the vans here.
They fix the vans.
This
here.
is this bigger van, you see?
It's like a whole 10 family discovery. Oh man, there's many. 1, 2, 3. All these are travelers.
Surfers also.
Surfers also. So many. Yeah. Breakfast time and more to go. Camp. That's a good idea. A lot of work. To pack and unpack is a lot of work. Huh? See, they're also going to camp. Just relax and chill. Let me talk to the Berber. He's over there. Bonjour. Yeah. Salam. Thank you.
I love our first stop, huh?
Of course you love your first stop.
The difference is they decorate usually the walls with small tile. And then it's heated up by steam. So the hot steam comes out of it. Right?
Okay.
The point of it is now that there is no like central element that produces just infrared. You're not getting warm by this. Yeah, that's how you differentiate hammam and sauna.
Where is this hammam originated?
So first I heard many like references to Turkey, right? So it's like if you ask.
I knew it, you know, I was checking. How you doing? No. This is sweet.
Ja, wie nice. Dan wordt het dat die later echt gaan.
Donkey. Bonjour. Bonjour madame. Ça va?
La maison.
Maison.
Oui, la maison. Entrez.
Oh, nice.
Entrez ici bien.
It's good.
Entrez.
It's good. Thank you. Casablanca. Can you say that one more time? Oh, look at that. Oh, to the right. Let me show you where am I sitting. Oh my god, it scratched my screen.
Ibrahim. You?
Mustafa.
Muhammad. You?
Ayub.
Ayub. He forgot how to say his name. Ayub.
Maybe it's close to
Do you know where it is?
it.
We can know. The salad is so good.
Post here.
Nice.
Post here. English, yeah.
Ah, oh, no problem. Thank you so much. I'm asking why there are so many people there. Yeah? Is this here?
There's kitchen there. Someone actually prepared that just to live there, yes. There's a lot of work for them to dig the ground here, huh?
You think they really did that?
Yeah. It was long, long time ago. The tree knows the answer for sure.